everyone, good morning. Today we have got IIM Nagpur Blended MBA program for you. IIM Nagpur is also called as Baby IIM since it was founded in year 2015. This program is called Blended MBA, that means it is meant for working professionals and do require minimum 3 years of work experience after graduation only. Along with it, the percentage in the graduation needs to be minimum 50%, which is almost the similar criteria in all other IIMs too. This program is offered in collaboration with Jaro Education. इसका एक्चुअली स्टोरी ऐसा है कि हमें लगता है थर्ड पार्टी, इसका मतलब तो कुछ तो डेंजर है। कुछ थर्ड पार्टी जैसा नहीं होता है, एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर अप्लाइंग इन द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी। अब IIMs का ऐसा है, दे डोंट कम अंडर UGC, so they openly showcase that this program in collaboration with Times Pro, this one through Jaro, this one through VC Now, and so on. In fact, whenever you reach out to us as well, since we always mention WhatsApp link in the description, हम भी आपको सारी universities के options बताते हैं and always encourages you to do the entire process on the official website of that particular university only. So third party से डरना नहीं है, but actually देखना है which one feels trustworthy to you and makes you feel that you will be taken care of. Now let's come to IIM Nagpur now. Once eligibility is ticked, you can apply for the application form which will cost you 2500 rupees, and currently the application forms are open. Once the application forms are filled, you can give their own entrance exam जो IIM Nagpur का entrance exam खुद का होता है. In case you do not have CAT, GMAT, GRE, आप आराम से उसको दीजिए. Then there will be interview and offer letter will be rolled out. The classes are happening all 7 days. So Monday to Saturday, evening time 8 o'clock to 9:30 p.m. And on Sundays, they have 2 batches, morning and afternoon. You get IIM Nagpur alumni status after completion of this degree, as well as this program will have 4 campus immersions too. Now the degree sample is in front of you. This is how the degree will look like after completion of the program successfully. Now the last question in your mind, fees and placement, right? So fees will be total 12,10,000 rupees for entire 2 years. Just for your information, all IIMs starts from 8 lakh goes till 20 lakh rupees. In fact, we have already created a video. You will find link in the end screen जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं बाकी सारे 15 IIMs की डिग्री किस तरीके की दिखेगी. Now the placement, right? Unfortunately, no IIMs without any residential program offers any placement. तो इसमें आपको IIM की तरफ से कोई प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलेगा. जारो एजुकेशन कुछ क्लेम करते हैं लिंक्डइन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन या रिज्यूमे बिल्डिंग वगैरह, वो आपको उन्होंने वहां मेंशन किया हुआ है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली IIMs की तरफ से कोई प्लेसमेंट नहीं होती फॉर एनी ऑनलाइन MBAs और ऑनलाइन एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA. चाहे आप IIM अहमदाबाद के BPGB को भी करिए 20 लाख रुपीस जिसका चार्ज है, तब भी वहां पे देयर आर नो प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस. यू विल फाइंड द लिंक ऑफ द ब्रोशर application link in the description box in case you want to check it out. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.